Yeah, g'day lovelies. Welcome back to the channel. We've got a bit of spattering to do this morning, and yes, I know I look like I'm a bloody, I don't know, fighter jet pilot with my fucking gogs on. Screw you, screw anyone that makes fun of my gogs, mate. My gogs are just fine, alright? Anyway, we've got a lot of work to do this morning. We're gonna take the differential out, and we're gonna get that welded. So let's get that big motherfucker out, and then we can go weld it. Welded's always better than limited slip, mate. Say, I think I woke up on the right side of the bed this morning. Dear God. Oh my God, what am I doing? Anyway, let's get to work. Cheers. Cheers, boys. Just maybe you're thinking, fuck, this dude's a lunatic. It's 6 in the morning. He looks like a bloody what the f was that? He looks like a bloody lunatic. And he's just out pulling his diff out. What a random thing to do at 6 in the morning on a Thursday. Oh well, I don't really care. I'm just gonna get it out, and we're gonna weld it. Oh my goodness, Jesus, bro! I'm all for these like crazy head attachments. Like I don't care how silly I look. Look at this shit. Now I don't have to hold a torch. Best thing ever. Okay. Oh, it's cold, bro. Okay, I'm very close to this Sigsaux pipe. I think I need to not be that close. Okay, oh my goodness, hello. Yeah, mid. Okay, what size are these bloody bolts? They're like 15s. And that, my friends, is what I did 4 years of a trade for, to be able to know how big bolts were when I touch them. No other fucking reason, just because of that. Alright, let's see if they crack off. That's not on the right angle. It is on the right angle. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, that was a... Yeah, she's gonna be a little bit of a dick to me, I reckon. I think they all are. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you beauty. Alright, 1. I'm a f***wit, and I want the handbrake on. It's probably not a good idea. I'm gonna turn the handbrake off. Alrighty. It's gonna take me all day just to get these bloody bolts off, because these bloody bolts just don't want to, you know, come out of my socket, which means it's gonna take me bloody ages. Turn the wheel a bit. Ow. That's disgusting. Open diff. Who would have fucking ever wanted an open diff? What wanker went up to the what wanker went up to buy their sports car in 1989 and was like, "Hey sir, I'd like an open diff, cause I like it up the bum." It's good having you guys here as company. I need to talk to someone. But you know, to anyone else listening to this, I just sound like a bloody lunatic. Alright, boys, I'm gonna get some of these axle bolts off. Let me turn this off and blind you a bit. Where's the button? I actually don't know. There it is. What? There we go. Alright, boys, I'm gonna get some bolts off, and then I'll check back in, alright? Oh god. It is freezing. And the concrete is freezing, and it is just cold. Oh well. We're gonna do it. We must do it for the welded diff, because no one with a big cock has an open, you know? Alrighty, boys. So we've got the half shaft bolts off, which on an NA6, they're literally bolted. Piece of piss. On the NBs and the 1.8s, it's actually a spline shaft into the diff, which makes it a lot harder because they can actually seize. Whereas here you just have bolts to worry about. So they're both loose now. Next thing I'll do is I'll remove the power plant frame, which are these 2 bolts here, and once you undo these, you have to half undo them, and then you have to hammer them, because there's a pressed spline at the top of the power plant and it won't come off if these are in. So I'm actually going to disconnect the drive shaft first. Drive shaft being that big long bloody shaft there. Just 4 bolt, take it off now, and I'll get onto the power plant. Power shaft is out and disconnected. So now we have to remove, as I said earlier, these 2 bolts, and they do have a press fitting at the top. So we're gonna undo them, and then we're gonna thread them back in, and then we're gonna give them a boot, and they should come out. Disconnecting the power plant frame from the diff is also gonna rock your engine back, because this is what pretty much holds your engine on its true tilt. Just be wary that when you drop this, like, it's probably gonna tilt. And then we have to put them slide them back in and just twist them up a little bit, enough that you know that it's in and it's not gonna, you know. Oh, there goes my job shot. Okay, and then you can reach around on top of the power plant frame. Oh my god, there's a lot of spider webs up there. There we go. Here's our little pressed fitting that we hammered out. She does not want to come out. I can now pretty much our mount bolts, which are up there. Take them out. Diff comes out. Let's do it. Okay, it is officially out. So the bushings are absolutely cooked. Diff seals are leaking. We're pretty much just going to crack the pumpkin off, which would just be all these bolts. Take that off, give her a clean on the inside, and then we'll take her to get her welded, and then we'll just put it back in because, you know, it's just as easy as that. And then we'll have the welded diff. So we'll crack all these bolts off, and we'll see what we're dealing with. See the damage.